like Codey Rocky.
It's very cute and awesome. And I can playfully learn to code with Codey Rocky.
I saw a lot of people actually, they made games because whenever you have something.
If you want to introduce cutting-edge technologies like AI or IoT in your classroom, I would recommend Codey Rocky. I give pretty much STEAM lessons to kids every day, and Codey Rocky makes my class comprehensive, easy and fun. Codey Rocky comes with a free coding software, students' manuals and teaching guidebook. All this support me a lot in the planning and preparing my lessons.
I feel coding is very simple and easy when I'm using Codey Rocky.
My students and I write every week a lot of interesting interactive programs by just dragging and dropping the command blocks. We use the Mblock 5, official Codey Rocky programming language. It is easy to use and students can learn it fast. Codey Rocky has a lot of sensors, and this gives chance to the students to use coding language in the test in the reality.
Get wrecked, noob.
I can know immediately if my program is working or not and if there's any problem. And it's making me a better programmer. And I really wish they were using Codey Rocky.
One of the best things about Codey Rocky is that it enables me to help my students to understand STEAM knowledge fast and as well to develop their logical thinking, problem-solving skills and creativity. As a teacher who is using Codey Rocky, I would recommend it because it's helpful and playful teaching assistant for your STEAM education.
Hey Vector, I have a question. What's an epsilon?
Hey Vector.
Take a picture.
What's the weather?
Timer's done.
Hey Vector, get some rest.
It's very smart. It can dance. Come here. Go back. Blah 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 blah. It can repeat what you say. Hi, Toki. Hi, Toki. You can speak like me. You can speak like me. It can help Mom to leave a message for me.
Hey, baby. Tomorrow is Grandma's birthday. You draw a picture for Grandma.
Children's song. Music. dancing. Can you dance?
No problem.
I love you.
I love you too. See you.
Our family comes a new member. It can do a lot. Look, it can go forward. Go backward.
Blah, 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 blah.
It's naughty.
Music. Oh no, what a mess I showed. I'm a great dancer.
It is a guessing game masterhand.
Ready? Press the yes button to start the game. Can this pet fly? Blah, 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 blah. Is this pet a mammal? I did it! You must be thinking of the elephant. Good job!
So clever, AT. Do some dancing, please.
Dad.
Hear what you said. You are my friend.
You are my friend.
Happy birthday to you, my mom. I love you. AT Smart Robot.
Blah, 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 blah.
draw something.
Hello and welcome to the drawing. Today we are going to draw the egg bird monster. Let's start with the eye. Make 2 circles just like this for an eyeball. mimic the beat with a line that goes out from the eyeball, then back, and then up to the eyeball here. When you're all done, get out your colored pencils, your crayons, your markers, and color it.
Zero. Here is a balloon. There is a baby holding a fork. Pops the balloon. Boom! There is no more balloon. So now there is 0 balloon. Do you know how many candies I have now? Yes, 3 candies. That's right. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Can you tell me how many pieces of candy I have left? Right. 10 minus 2 equals 8. I have 8 candies left. Letter B. B is for banana. I have big ears and a really long nose. That doesn't mean I'm always lying. Can you find the next letter? Correct. The 5th letter is H. Excellent! I am an elephant. Well done!